and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So in a previous video I talked about the Euler blunder, which is S is equal to lim S, and it's not surprising to me that so many idiots didn't like it and only 28 liked it, which means that if you take 28 over 87, let's see here, that so far only 32% of the population have any brains in their skulls at all. The rest of them are utter morons. And in all likelihood, you're probably part of the moron lot. But that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you escape your ignorance and your stupidity. So let's start, first of all, by considering, is it equivalent to say that if we can find the nth digit in a given radix system, that this represents a well-formed number? Well, no. And why isn't it? Because look, no matter how many digits you calculate, what you have is close to zero as a percentage of them all. So let's say you calculate 3.14159 dot, 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 dot. Let's say you've got any number you like here, n gazillion, trillion, whatever. Okay. Take this, the number of these digits as a percentage of your favorite bullshit, and guess what? It's close to zero. As that idiot Leonhard Euler told you, that 1 over infinity is for all purposes zero. Okay, so I'm just using your bullshit against you, ain't I? Because you're idiots and you need to be called idiots, because that is the only way to get you to think about these things. Now, are your teachers knowledgeable and smart? Listen, sonny boys, you're wet behind the ears. You're complete morons to believe your teachers and your calculus professors, because they don't know these things. So no, you cannot say that if you can find as many digits as you like, that it's equivalent to representing the measure, mind you, not the number, the failed measure in that given radix system. So there are the bullshit phrases which are really smoke and mirrors, phrases like as close as we like or as small as we please. Nonsense. Neither of those are true. Both are false. It's also insufficient to call an analysis argument, in terms of inequality arguments, a substitute for measure. Okay, so first of all, your moronic real analysis professors don't understand these things. They have failed right from the beginning to understand the concept of number and arithmetic. And guess what, morons? I'm explaining what these things are to you. Do you know where number comes from? Do you know where arithmetic comes from? You fucking idiots. Well, let me explain to you. Now, by the way, I'm being aggressive, but this is towards the nincompoops who post on my channel. Now, if you go to my free articles, you'll learn what you never learned in your miserable and ignorant life from the Ultimate Book of Numbers. That you have to purchase. It's not free, I'm sorry. And also this, which will blow your pea-brain minds to bits. You've never seen anything like this in your life, you driveling, sliveling morons. Okay. Last but not least, you need to understand what a number is. And so you go to this free article here. It's just one page. It's written for baboons like you, like your math professors, like your calculus professors, like your teachers. This helps you understand number. And then, guess what? I haven't left it all to chance. I also give you an article which is on Gabriel arithmetic, okay? And where is that? Where's the link there? Here's the link. You never understood where arithmetic came from? It comes from here. Go to this article, you morons. It's called Gabriel Arithmetic Without Numbers. Nobody before me ever realized these facts. I was the first. And yes, although it's based on Thales' proportionality theorem, none of this has ever been thought of or recorded in past history. Am I enthusiastic? Yes, I am, because I'm a genius. And I'm telling you these things to help you, you fucking idiots. Jesus Christ. Now, number two. Well, I've covered number two. So, therefore, you can find a given digit, therefore that you can find a given digit in the nth position, doesn't mean shit. It means like you're sitting with your thumb up your ass, exactly the same thing. Number three, numbers are well-formed objects, okay, that do not require radix systems, you idiots. And I'm addressing this to your calculus professors, which were invented for stupid morons like you. You know why? You know why you got radix systems? Because too many people were unable to do arithmetic. So they taught them rote methods of how to multiply, to divide with decimals, but they don't understand the fuck what is a fraction. Okay? And neither do you, moron. Neither do you. You won't understand unless you read this article here. What is a number? Realization and development of number in one page. If you don't do anything, read this at least, you bumbling fools. Okay, now you can learn more than you've learned in your miserable and ignorant life by purchasing these books. Really, you're not going to get them free, by the way, ever. Now, are Dedekind cuts or Cauchy equivalent sequences valid constructions of real numbers? Absolutely not. And I've given you 2 free articles here to find out why. I'm not going to go over this shit again. There's no such thing as a real number. Never mind a real number line, you idiots. Now, as for that really idiotic fool, Norman Wilberger, who is really a crank in my opinion, does he hold similar views to me? Only superficially. Wilberger will say things like, there is no real number, but he has no alternative. And he'll say numbers are not well formed, and he gives you exactly the same definition, the same set theoretic crap definition that you get in mainstream mathematics. Okay, that's not what I give you. Read what I give you. I give you a glimpse into the minds of my brilliant Greek ancestors. You fucking idiots. Yes, I need to use that word because you're all stupid. You're unbelievably stupid. Okay, and it really gets to me that you're such idiots that you get on my channel and you vote the videos down. You're not harming me, you fucking idiots. Oh yes, guess what? I have 1 sub less. So I'm not going to get to 1 million subs in my life. That means I'm not going to get money. But you're not harming me. You're harming yourself and your future. Your mainstream mathematics teachers and professors are the cranks. They are the conspirators. They are the ones who never understood mathematics. Okay, they've never had a clue what is geometry. They failed miserably to understand Euclid's elements, and they introduced the bullshit of set theory and ZFC axioms, which is still prevailing in the crap that is known as mainstream mathematics. Okay, so now, Wilberger's rational trigonometry is the joke of the century. For real trigonometry, you'll read my free article. It'll take you weeks to understand that because your IQs are probably about the same level as a baboon. But if you do understand it, you'll get a glimpse into my genius, and you'll see that what I am telling you is nothing like what you've ever been told in your life. And listen, if you're a little shit who's less than 35 years old, don't comment on my channel because I'm 63 years old and I've been a genius for a lot longer than you've even been around. Before your worthless, corrupt father spewed you out of his penis. Okay? Don't comment on my channel, you fucking moron. Because why? Because it doesn't bother me. It just means that I have to block you and trash your comments. So do me a favor, stick your thumb up your ass and fuck off from my channel for good. Don't come here, please. I'm here to help people. I'm not here to fight with idiots like you, Trump supporters, and your ilk. Okay? Yes, Trump supporters, can you believe it? They voted for that miserable idiot, that felon, that liar, that psychopath. And now guess what? They think it's going to go well the next 4 years. Oh boy, do I have news for them. Listen, I didn't mean to get into politics. I don't give a shit anymore. Now, is there such a thing as a real number? No. And you can learn that from the Ultimate Book of Numbers. Okay. You can buy my hardcover edition for $150. Is there such a thing as learning the right way? You bet your boots. And none of your educators know how to do that. Only I know how to do that. Yes, it's a big claim. Can you verify it, you conspiratorial idiots? Of course you can. If you buy and you read my works, you'll understand. But till then, you'll just post stupid comments out of your psychotic, sick brains, out of your how can we call it, your social etiquette, which you have stupid sayings like, if somebody talks the way I do, I've got to be a crank. No, I'm talking the way I'm talking because I'm not getting through to idiots like you. Talking to you softly doesn't help you. I have to address you in your language. So that's pretty much it. I've been pretty worked up. If you're not already a member of my channel, become a member, you moron, and don't click dislike, click like. You want to be one of this positive number, not one of these 87 prize idiots. I'm John Gabriel, and this is New Calculus. Till next time, goodbye.